Video, I'm going to go over this Dewalt two-part set. These are the wide jaw opening. This one right here is the smaller one, which is the 6-inch. It can go from 15/16 all the way up to 24 millimeter. Check that out. And it does have the like wording on it right there. You can see the millimeters on that side, 24 millimeters right there. I kind of got some goop on it when I was using it, but I'll clean that off. But you can see there's no movement in this. It has a very smooth kind of roller on it. Has a little hook down here at the bottom. You can see right there, it's a 6-inch or 150 millimeters. And this one right here is the larger one, which can go from 1 3/8 to 35 millimeters. So 1 3/8 on this side, you can see that. 1 1/2 right there, 1 3/8. And you run it all the way down. And on this side, you've got the millimeters, which is 0 to 35 millimeters. You got the Dewalt guaranteed with these. It's the wide jaw opening. The grip armor. Oh yeah, this grip on it. Let me talk about this thing. This is nice. I really like the way that grip feels. Look how it just captures like a nut. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides of capturing right there on the nut. And then there's no movement. Usually I get a little bit of movement in the jaws. This has 0 movement in these jaws, which has a nice clean pull on it. Right there, check that out. You guys see that? I don't see any issues with this thing at all. It's got a really nice quality fit to it. These things do not feel cheap at all. I really like these Dewalt tools. I've got a lot of Dewalt tools and I recommend them. Everything I've had from these guys has been really great, and the steel on this feels super strong. You can pretty much, I wouldn't use it as a hammer, but it feels like you could use it as a hammer, but it doesn't feel like it's going to break on pretty much anything I've used it on. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the, the Dewalt 6 and 10-inch wide jaw opening set. See y'all in the next video.